Overwhelmed by endless tasks, let's decode Vedic priority and Vedic task prioritization and reclaim your rhythm. Namaste Karyans, it's Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of Karya Productivity Hub. And we are all here for the 1% growth every day, the Vedic way, for your personal productivity. Let me ask you a simple question but powerful question today. Do you know which task deserves your energy right now? Because if every task is treated equally, you will always be busy but rarely effective. Most people dump tasks on their list and treat them all the same, but without a prioritization framework. Your energy leaks, goals scatter, and focus suffers. You end up putting out fires instead of progressive, purposeful. What are the three Vedic secret of prioritization? Point number one, Triguna awareness. That is sattva, rajas, and tamas. Categorization task based on energy. Sattvic task, that is strategic, peaceful, long term. Those are your top priority. Rajasic task, those are reactive, urgent, restless. Those are mid priority task. Tamasic task, that is low value, draining, avoidable, which can eliminate or you can delegate the task. Point number two, Kaala Yojana, time and energy mapping. From the Rig Veda, Kala is not a clock, it is a consciousness. Prioritize high focus tasks during Sattvic time, early morning. Avoid planning deep work during Tamasic hours. Point number three, Sankalpa anchoring. Three task focus rule. Choose three non negotiables. One for work, one for personal, one for spiritual. These three defines a successful day even if it is chaos follows. Dear Karyans, task prioritization is not just a technique, it's a spiritual discipline. When you align your action with dharma and energy cycles, you don't just get more done, you feel more fulfilled. Want to master the art of productivity using Vedic principles? Join our Karya Productivity Hub and experience the power of conscious task prioritization. And we all together, let's be productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.